guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today we have another video, another try on. So if you don't like these videos, I apologize, but maybe stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Maybe stay tuned and you'll find an outfit that you like with me. And comment down below whatever outfit is your favorite. It's going to be a short video. I only got about 3 things to try on. And it's all things that I bought at PacSun, and they were all like half off. So what's going on with PacSun?
So incredibly still that I become imperceptible to the human eye.
Are you serious?
I've mastered the ability of standing so incredibly still that I've become invisible to the eye. Watch.
You're eating a Zarg nut.
But my movement was so slow that it's imperceptible.
No.
I'm sure I'm invisible.
Hi, Drax.
This is actually a top I have not worn, and it was in the bag. I actually got this from Victoria's Secret. I think it's a bralette, but I'm gonna wear it as a shirt because
it covers most of my body than more of my shirts do.
This covers more of my this covers more of my body than some of the previous shirts I just tried on did.
Ow.
So go check out those other try on hauls and let me know. I am on my period, so my boobies do look more boobyish. What do you rate this top? This is the back of it. Huh?
10.
A 10?
That's the first 10 you've gotten so far.
No, this is a new video.
From me. Oh. Watch the other video to know what I'm talking about. I'm marketing for you. The light!
I do give this top a 10. I love this top so much. So we're gonna hop right into it, and we're gonna see what else he likes. Close your eyes.
Face, big disgrace.
The first shirt says Daydreamer, and it has a butterfly on it. This back is plain simple. The front, I think it's super cute. What do you rate it?
6.
A 6? I think it's very reliable. I give it a 7.5.
I just think it's real, like, basics from what you usually wear. You usually have more of your personality in your clothes.
But it has a butterfly.
That shirt is not a your personality shirt, though. I still like it.
What personality is this shirt?
Like, that's like Willow.
You think I'm dressed like an 8-year-old? Let's see if he likes this shirt more, because I sure do. How do you like this shirt?
I like that one a lot. Looks like you're about to go play basketball.
Dribble, 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 dribble. Pop, 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 pop. Shoots! And she scores! Get your head in the game. You gotta get your head in the game. This is why we're together. It's super comfortable though. Feel how soft it is. And it's like really airy. It's like loose, but it's tight like right here where the words are, but then loose everywhere else. So it's kind of cute.
Give me a little spin. So cute.
What do you rate it?
I think it's. I'll give that one like an 8.3. I think it has a bunch of uses. You used to work out, if you just wanted to look cute.
I like it a lot. I'm probably gonna give it, even with this outfit, I would wear it with this outfit.
I like it.
I'd probably give it an 8.3 too. This was on the back of the shirt, I didn't realize. Don't look at my fingernails. This was on the back of the shirt, I didn't realize. It's like a 50-year anniversary. This is probably my favorite one. But if you could think I would look like an 8-year-old in the other one, you'll definitely think I look like an 8. You'll definitely think I look like an 8-year-old in this one, but this one is my favorite one. Sharing is caring.
You actually got that from the children's section, right?
No, what? This was in my section.
Oh.
Did not get it from the children's section.
I like that a lot.
Do you like it a lot too? It looks super cute.
I wasn't saying you look like an 8-year-old.
Comment down below if you thought that he said I don't know. Actually, I cut it out, so. Ain't no internet gonna see our drama. Knuckle sandwich.
Our drama.
So what do you rate this?
For like half a second, I thought you were talking to the viewers. I was waiting on them to respond.
Like Dora?
Mm-hmm.
And what do you guys rate it?
I'd say 7.6.
A 7. I'd probably give it an 8 because now that I've wore this in a video, I'm going to wear this shirt so freaking
I
much.
know you were.
This is gonna be my new favorite shirt. I've never had bottom cleavage before. I love being on my period, only for this purpose, but also just wearing these shorts, I feel like I need to like out of them. You know what I mean? Like
Hulk out.
Yeah, Hulk out. But that's it for this video. It's a very short video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Comment down below which one is your favorite, and if I look like an 8-year-old, comment that down below.
You're so dramatic.
Love you guys. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. It truly means a lot. Please leave a like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I post. You got anything to say, Chris?
Peace and love. Hello, little buddy. Oh, you hiding? You hiding? I was gonna do the kitty cat dance. I'm a kitty, kitty, kitty. I'm a cat. If you mess with me, you're gonna get scratched.
You ready?
I'm ready. This is why I want to know in the hat, because I feel like it looks crazy. Not as crazy to you, though.
Do you like this shirt a lot? Show where it's universal?
Yes.
9. Okay, I started.
9 to 9.